Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at Competeup. Now, first, I'm going to show you the end result. This is what you want to be creating. This campaign that you see right here, well, this is what we did to receive an 83% opt-in rate. What that means is 83% of the people that saw this page, they went and entered their email address and they went right into our autoresponder. Now, the idea is very simple. You have a really nice hook up here where you talk about the prizes and the instant rewards. You can have a video here, you can have an image here, doesn't really matter. But this whole page, it's instant the way that it's created. Now, if I come over here to the back end just for a second, I want to go ahead and show you. There was 29,669 people that saw that page, and out of that, 10,564 people entered their name and email right from our direct link. That was 43% of this 29,000. And then another 13,000 people were referred. Okay, so that made up 57% of this number here. And so this is where we come up with our 82 to 83% opt-in rate. Out of 29,669 people that saw that page, 24,493 people gave us their email address. And if I were to come over here and click on subscribers, there you go. You can actually see all of those emails, and I can come over here and I can scroll through 1,633 pages. Now, if I come over here and if I go ahead and scroll down to the bottom, and if I click on this button that says rewards, here's all the rewards that I can go ahead and unlock as a player. So if I hover over this, you can see that I need 60 points to unlock this badge, 10 points to unlock this one, and 25 points. And then this is the reward, and it even shows all the players that have unlocked this reward. But if I go ahead and close this down here, and if I come down here, and if I go ahead and click on this one that says prizes, you're going to see here are the prizes that are available as well. And you can look and see how beautiful these graphics are and everything else. I'm going to show you how we set all of this up. But you may be thinking, okay, wait a minute, this just works for you guys, you know, because you're a big name or whatever the case may be. Okay, well, that's not exactly the case, because you can see you can come over here and create very simple little campaigns just like this one. This is a fitness giveaway. So you see there's a countdown timer up at the top, and we got this hook. Here's a chance to enter our $10,000 fitness giveaway, right? Or we can come over here and we have one for Bitcoin. Same idea. We have a hook, we have a nice background, there's a video. People come over here and they can go ahead and join this giveaway as well. But the one that we created today, and it was just a matter of minutes, is this one right here. Now, this is one of my partners in the business. Her name is Christine. She is a musician. So she's not necessarily in the marketing world. She works with musicians. And you can see, same idea. She's giving away over $300 in rewards. And she's got prizes here, cameras, microphones. And then she's giving away a pair of Dr. Dre's Beat phones, right? And same idea, okay? So you can see that we have this beautiful background here. And if we come over here and we click on rewards, you're going to see that here is the rewards that she is giving away. Okay, so she's got over $297 in rewards. Everybody receives these rewards when they play the game. But if we go ahead and close this here, and if we come over here to prizes, you're going to see here are the prizes that her players can go ahead and win as well. Okay, so everybody wins the rewards. Those are like digital downloads. And then you have master prizes like you see here with these beautiful graphics. And I'm sure you would agree that there's never ever been a contest software like this. So here's how this works. Okay, they come over here and they watch this video. Okay, so they say, I want to win these prizes. And so they come over here and they enter their email address. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and click register. And then what happens is it's gonna take me inside of the contest. Now you see we have some statistics up here. It shows me how many contest entries there are, where I am placed out of everybody in the contest, the number of rewards that I've unlocked, and the goals that I have to complete. Now we have a countdown timer here. Here's the hook, and then there's a different video. And this video talks about the actual contest itself. Now, this URL right here is now the contest URL that I can use as a new player to go out there and bring people in the contest. Any badges that I've unlocked, they're going to show up right here. And then down here, there's tasks. And this is how I will go about earning more entries. So as a player, I'm going to earn entries when I share my link and I get people to sign up. And when I come over here and I click on these tabs, and I go ahead and do the task. And we can put videos in there, we can put images in there, everything else. And of course, I can come over here and I can see the prizes, I can see the rewards. And as people start playing the contest, we even have a leaderboard, right? So that's the front end. This is how this works. Now, let me show you how easily we create this whole entire campaign. Because once you're set up, man, you're gonna do these in like a matter of minutes, okay? So I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna go ahead and show you the back end. Okay, so here you go. You see them over here on the back end, and the one that I want you to pay attention to is one that says Perry and Chad. There's the impressions, there's the number of points, there's the subscribers, there's the percentage for subscribers, and there's the referral subscribers, and there's the percentage for referral, and we have an overall opt-in rate of 83%. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go ahead and look at this new campaign that we created for Christine so I can explain how this works, okay? So the first thing is you have your contest name. All right, next you're going to decide, do I want to have overall prizes or do I want to have instant rewards? You can see that you have a little preview happening over here. So I've gone ahead and said, yes, I want to have an overall prize and I want to have instant rewards. Perfect. Okay, so now that we've done that, we can come over here to step number 2 and decide when the contest starts. When it ends, we choose our time zone. Okay, next we have our design. Now this is very basic, nothing complicated. Okay, everything that we have over here is what we're designing. And so here's how this works. Here is your main headline, and you can bold things, italicize, underline. If you come down a little bit lower, here is your contest description, which is this area right here. And then if you come down a little bit lower here, this is your logged in page. So this is after somebody logs in. So once they're logged in, you can decide, okay, do I want to show an image? Do I want to have a video? What do I want to do? Or do I not want to have anything? Same thing with if they're not logged in. This is a sign up page. So same thing. Right now I have it set for this video that you see right here. So I want to make sure you understand that you can have a different video on the sign up pages versus when they're logged in. Okay, and you'll see that with Christine's here. Okay, now we go ahead and choose her primary color, which we went with the pink. Then we went ahead and uploaded the background. Okay, so you can see we have the background here. We can also choose a background color, and then we have our background size. And once we do that, we go ahead and go to the next step, which is our policies. Very simple. You're going to come over here and you have some policies that you can go ahead and make appear inside of your contest. And you also have the ability to turn on your IP blocking. This stops people from cheating. Okay, so that's it. That's step number 1. That's the most complicated part. Next, we have our contest setup. And how this works is you're going to decide, okay, see, these are the big prizes, right? Remember, she's giving away headphones, microphone, and the webcams. Okay, matter of fact, let me go ahead and show you that. If I come over here and if I go ahead and click on prizes, there we go. Headphones, microphone, webcam. All right. So if we come back over here, first place, headphones. Second place, microphone. Third place, webcam. That's it. If I want to add a new prize, I click here and booyah. These are all my prizes. I can just go ahead and pull it in. The graphics are already set up for me and everything else. Okay. Now I can decide, okay, as they're earning points, do I want to give away entries? And so then it's kind of like a name in the hat, or the person with the most points is going to win. You decide how you want to do that. Settings is very basic. This is the ribbon text that goes above on top of the page. Nothing real complicated. That takes care of step number 2. Step number 3, we have our instant rewards. These are the rewards that everybody receives. So if I come back over here and if I scroll down, I click on rewards, and here you go. These are the rewards that everybody receives when they receive the points. So if I come back over here, it works the same exact way. They need this many points to unlock this reward. They need this many points to unlock this reward. And that's all you're going to do. You're just going to go ahead and pull in your rewards. When they receive these badges, then they will receive these rewards. And yes, you can swap out your badges. Settings, same exact thing. Ribbon text. Booyah! That takes care of step number 3. Step number 4, this is our entry settings. Now, if I go ahead and close this, you're going to see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different entry settings. So if I come over here and if I scroll down, you're going to see there they are right here. Here are the goals that we need to complete. Plus they get points when somebody signs up. Okay, so if I come back over here, there they are right there. And if I want to go ahead and create new entry settings, just go ahead and click it, and there we go. And we can go ahead and decide, okay, I want them to visit my fan page, right? Here's the description. Here's the button text, fan page URL. Very simple. And then we go ahead and choose the number of entries. Now, what I recommend you do is I recommend that you set up your entries exactly how you want them so that you can go ahead and just keep cloning the campaigns over and over and over. And then finally, we come over here to our final step, and this is where we're going to go set up our emails. So when somebody registers, well, here's the email that goes out. Here are the short codes that you can pull into the emails, right? We've given you all of the short codes here. Or when somebody gets a referral sign up in the contest, there you go. Again, you have all of those short codes. Or how about this? How about when somebody unlocks a badge? Well, there's your email for that. How about just an overall daily summary about how the player is doing inside the contest? Well, here you go. We've already figured out all the logic, made all of this very beautiful. And then when you're all said and done, you'll come over here and you go ahead and click the preview button and you're going to see something that looks just like this. And again, you'll just clone this and swap out the video, change your rewards, and that's pretty much it. Now, if I go ahead and show you the top here, you're going to see that there is a place where, yes, you have your rewards. So you come over here and you load your rewards ahead of time. And so what does that look like? Well, it looks just like this. You have your name, you have your description, you put in your URL, the value of the reward, and then you can go ahead and use our default image, or you can load a custom banner. That's it. So you go ahead and build out a library. You know, we do this all the time. Every single time we create a new product, we add it to our library. Every time we have a physical item for our big prize, we add it to our library. So that all you're ever doing is just pulling in your rewards, okay? Now, if we come over here to the statistics, you can see that here is all the data, but also pay attention to what we have going on down here, right? Because these are your entries, and this shows you that 57% of people are doing this entry, 19% are doing this entry, 10% this entry, and 7% this entry. So you really get to find out, okay, you know, what's working, what's not working, how many entries do I have? But in addition to that, I can come over here to my subscribers, and I can see all of my subscribers. I can also come over here to my account, and I can come over here to my API integrations, and there are the most common autoresponders. You can also integrate with GoToWebinar and another autoresponder at the bottom. We also have some of our integrations here. And then if we come over here, we can also go over to our SMTP integrations, because you're going to want to set up your SMTP so that you can send out email. Okay, so there you go. It really is a simple 2-minute setup, nothing real complicated, but you too can have beautiful campaigns that look just like this in just a matter of minutes. 2-minute setup with no technical obstacles, massive results, 83% conversion. I really hope you enjoy the video. Take a look at the rest of the page, check out all the features, because I only scratched the surface.